Good evening everyone. In this video I am going to demonstrate about how to improve healthcare conditions in rural areas. So my team ID is 76 and my team name is Electronoobs. So let's take a look at the problem at first. So in today, like in real life scenarios, the village people are not able to get an emergency medical help. Like there is a delay in reaching to them. That's the first reason, and moreover the villagers are unaware of their diseases also. So there are so many lacunas. Like another important point is this: they don't have any medical knowledge on means about themselves, like what is their blood group and do they have diabetes, do they have blood pressure and all. So no pre-medical data is also present with them. So our solution is we will install alert switches at each village, like crossings or village, like some important areas of village, so that every villager can be able to access it. In case of an emergency, everyone will be able to access that emergency switch. So this is our, let's assume this is a village and these are the switches which will be present all across the village, and they will be able to intercommunicate in between them. Let's say someone of this house needs an emergency, so his neighbor or someone will approach that switch and will call for an emergency team. So we are keeping the two options, like an emergency of of a casual emergency or something very urgent, like any accident or something like that. So the message will be transferred to its nearest master node. From it will be transferred to a command center. From the command center, the area, like the origin of the message, like the from where the message has been originated and what kind of emergency is needed, will be transferred to the command center. From command center, they will decide how to approach that area. They may use a two-wheeler or also may use an ambulance for this. So moving on to the program part, that is we are planning to set up a server at that command center. So this is my code. Since I don't have those modules or don't have the libraries to simulate the actual modules, so I'm planning to use some node MCUs and a simple web client server code. So at first I will create a server on my PC. So this is the code to create the server on my PC. So as you can see, I had started it earlier. So okay, the server has started here. Let me show you how it works. So this is a node. Let's say this has a client program pre-installed. So let me choose so this is my client program. So it sends its ID and the type of emergency. So we can assume here that a switch is installed, like two or three, more than two switches are installed. One is for an emergency help, other one is for casual help, and the ID, the location which defines the location of the node, is also pre-embedded in that message. So whenever I click a button, let's assume I have clicked a button. Receive data help. Receive data help and ID is 27. So whenever we call for help, we also get a feedback message that the help is received. Here is it. Receive data. This is what the server, means the command center, sends to the node, that like they are arriving to the site. It's a way of telling, means letting the villager know. So let me again rerun it. Visual feedback is also present. A LED blinks whenever a message is acknowledged by the server. So let me show with one more example, like I will connect another node. So this is a casual message, like for Feebers and all. You can see the ID is 27 now. So we will do the same thing. We'll send from this node now. So we can see here the latest message, that is received help ID 27, and also the connection address is also being printed. The same we can see visual feedback also here. So, and this is my proposed circuit, like the actual circuit. So in this example we are using internet, but in real life scenario the internet will not be available in village areas. So we are planning to use this. This is a NRF module. This will not depend on any communication architecture, like it does not depend whether there is a signal of GSM signal or not. This will create its own network, and it will have a coverage of around 200 to 300 meters. This is Arduino Nano we are using, and in this we will use a mesh networking by which we can interconnect all the nodes and directly reach to the command center very easily. So this is our actual idea, but for demonstration purposes I've used this Wi-Fi modules. That's all for the demonstration. Thank you.